We are
one
in the new
struggle.
We are approaching 15th of August, our Independence Day, and getting one step closer in achieving a better tomorrow, keeping in mind that we are in the midst of world's biggest pandemic, COVID-19.
The major challenge is that we don't have any rule books, no standard that tell governments what to do, how to shut down economies, when to reopen, and how to plan the exit policy. Catering to India's 1.3 billion population is a huge task, and it calls for a smoother operational mechanism for the success of this collaborative approach.
Lockdown 1, 2, 3, and then unlock 1, 2, followed by intermittent lockdowns. We at Malcolm stepped up our measures to create a hurdle-free process in our working procedure and ensure a safe environment for our workforce. We have reinforced frequent hand washing, sanitation, and face mask, social distancing by realigning processes.
We have handed over 5,000 face masks to state and central government.
We launched PPE kit to meet the need of healthcare sector.
We launched COVID-19 preparedness manual. We donated rupees 1 million to PM CARES Fund.
We increased production capacities in all our facilities.
As we speak of, we have already introduced range of medical PPEs like
Disposable medical PPE suits,
2-ply, 3-ply surgical masks, N95 masks. All these products have valid certifications.
As it is said, every crisis is an opportunity in disguise. The Indian struggle for freedom not only released India from the chains of the colonial and British rule, but we evolved through a process of constant ideological evolution, uplift of the role of women, economic independence, etc., etc.
Similarly, the COVID-19 crisis has helped us to learn, cultivate compassion, and increase resilience while building a safer and more caring community. So let's try to grab this opportunity and stand together to struggle against this and any such pandemic in future.
A moment will come when we'll step out from the old to the new. We'll soon end the period of ill fortune, and we, the people of India, shall get back to our normal life with Atmanirbhar and become vocal for local. With that, we all wishing our brothers and sisters happy 74th Independence Day.
Jai
Jai Hind.